Hello everyone, today let's create a Google Sheet from scratch. It's super easy and I will show you how. Let's jump right into it. First, open your web browser and go to Google Drive. Then in Google Drive, at the top right corner, you see Google App. Click it. From that menu, select Google Sheet. Or click on blank spreadsheet. When a blank spreadsheet open up, at the top right left, click where it says Untitled Spreadsheet. Give your sheet a name. This keeps things organized. Click on a cell and start typing to enter data like name, particulars, address. As you can see, Google Sheet has been set automatically to Google Drive. To share, click on File and save with others, or you can even mail and even download. And that's it, you have created your Google Sheet. So if this felt helpful, hit like and subscribe for more quick tech tips.